K. Silent words in English. Knife. A tool with a blade for cutting. Know. To have knowledge or information in your mind. Knob. A handle on a door or drawer. Knight. A soldier who wore armor. Knuckle. A joint in the fingers. Knock. To hit something with the knuckles. Knee. The large joint in the leg. Knot. The part where rope is tied. Knit. To make something from yarn. Knickers. An old word for pants. Knowledge. Understanding and skills that you have gained through learning or experience. Knoll. A small round hill. Knew. Past tense of know. Knead. Fold dough by hand. Knapsack. A backpack. Knick-knack. A small decorative object. Knack. Skill or ability to do something that you have naturally or you can learn. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.